for Pappy's Corner, coming up.
All right, I am glad to bring you this month's Tool of the Week. Yeah, I got my divining wrenches here, and I'm gonna find me a tool, the lonely lost tool, with my divining wrenches. Okay. All right, let's take a look at some of the lonely lost tools. Start out with this one right here. Look at this tool right here. A little plunger on the end, like so. Let me show you. This is called the pusher outer. Watch this. See? Yeah, the pusher outer tool. You'll only see this stuff on Pappy's Corner. I also have, here it is, the over-under wrench right here. Check that out. The over-under wrench.
With a 9/16 under and a 1/2 inch over, both 12-point.
Then look at this. The multi-tool, it is a double beer bottle opener. See here and here. Flip it over. Double beer bottle opener. Plus it's got a little plier on the end here. Pinch down on. And a cutter. Yeah, kind of a 4-in-1 tool right here. And of course y'all remember, I've showed you this before, but I found it again. The electric hammer. You know, I've been meaning to pick me up a battery operated one. That'll be great. And look at this wrench right here, will you? Check that baby out. This is another multi-use tool. Right here, yeah. This wrench is socket wrench. Got a socket wrench. Or how about a Torx wrench? There we go. Torx wrench. Well, if that isn't good enough for you, I got a hex wrench right here. Or maybe you would prefer a Phillips wrench. Right here. Yeah. And this right here, this is Craftsman.
Snap-on, bonehead.
Got your flathead screwdriver wrench. Another Craftsman.
Snap-on,
Tight fit up there.
bonehead.
That's good. And your tools don't come off. It's a good hard pull to get them out. Okay. I have a tool. See if anybody knows what it is. Because I kind of sort of figured it out. Here it is. Check this baby out, right? Get a little closer here so you can see a little bit more about what it is. Kind of a plier type tool. Well, I tell you, poking around doing some research, I looked up the patent number that's stamped on here, which is 247888, and it's made by Howie Berg, Denver, Colorado. And it said under that number that it was a lamp wick trimmer. Well, this is not a lamp wick trimmer, but it is a brake tool. And exactly how it's used, I don't know. I saw one on eBay a while back, and I looked it up again, and it had been sold for 20 bucks, and it is a brake drum tool of sorts. Some people claim it to be a valve spring compressor, a brake spring plier. So kind of a mystery out there as to how this is used, but I do know it's used for a brake drum. Tool that came from my father-in-law, and he worked at Bear Manufacturing. He was their manager of sales. So he was pretty knowledgeable on a lot of the tools, and I have inherited some of those. And here's a wrench for you. This is a Bony Wrench.
Bony Wrench.
And Bony is the company that made it. They make brake tools.
Bony Tools, the finest that money can buy.
And it's made of
Bonalloy.
steel. They are the patent owners for that type of steel, made in the U.S., of course. And the number on this is a D2857.
Bony, made in the USA, D2857.
7/16 square head wrench. 1/2 inch square head wrench. And the reason you know it's a square head wrench is because it has 8 points. Usually a wrench will have either 6 or 12 points around it. And I didn't have any square head bolts, but I did have this lag screw that got a 1/2 inch flange around the base here. And just to show you, I'll put this on here, the 1/2 inch side, and you can see how it fits on here, up into that 1/2 inch flange. See how that fits? Okay, and these are brake wrench tools also. But I like them better as divining tools. Hey, and remember, if you got a pair of divining wrenches, you can go out and hunt up the long lost tools. When they cross paths, there's your tool. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love you.